What up, everybody? Welcome back. Another day, another video, and a photo. Come through. Over 160 days of photos and videos. Making it happen. Tomorrow, I have to do one early and set it up because I have to shoot a wedding tomorrow. I'm doing a video for a wedding tomorrow and won't be back until easily midnight. 2-hour drive there, 2-hour drive back. So yeah, let's get into the photo, shall we? This is the one we're doing today. Bring up the exposure bit, contrast, take some of the highlight out, shadow, white, black. Okay. Oranges and reds. Bring them up. Alright. Alright, now mask. Clarity, touch, DH, touch. Alright, and some noise reduction. Duplicate it. Back to math. Okay. And that is our photo for today. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for the next. Bye-bye!